Welcome back to a new mixed media tutorial on how to finish your backgrounds. Today I'm working with watercolor backgrounds. One of the tags is already finished and I will give you the recipe for the process. I start with a Brusho background. I want to have more color variation, so I spritz it with a Brusho mist. After this is dry, I add some background stamping with waterproof ink. The stamps I'm using are from Viva Las Vegas stamps. I did the same to the other tag I have showed you at the beginning. I just stamp a clock onto the background. I missed to record that I added the white splatters. This is acrylic ink, and I also stamped my main image onto the tag with black ink. In addition, I stamped my main image onto white cardstock too. I did the same to the other tag with the rabbit. I cut out the main image directly on the black outline and I ink up the white edges with a black pen. I paint a frame with a black pit pen. For the title I used a sticker from Tim Holtz and I adhere some wooden letters. Finally, I adhered my tag to a white one that was a little bit bigger. Thank you for stopping by today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Bye!